Okay, today we're talking about changing your furnace filter. If your furnace has been running, shut the thermostat off first to allow the blower to cool down the heat exchanger, then shut the power off at the furnace. Then remove the access panel. There's your filter. Gently slide it out. I recommend having a few spare filters on hand, and note the arrow indicates the airflow. The airflow should flow toward the blower motor. Now you can see it on camera comparing the dirty old filter to the new filter. Be sure to get the correct size. The size is usually marked on the filter. And I recommend a MERV 8. Again, there's that directionality arrow for airflow toward the blower motor. I wouldn't get anything higher than a MERV 8 because even brand new, the higher efficiency filters are number one expensive, but even brand new, they can restrict the airflow through your furnace. And when they start to collect dust and dirt, they restrict the flow even more. So in most cases, a MERV 8 rated air filter is plenty, unless you have some serious, severe sort of allergy or respiratory issue. I like to write the date on the filter to remind myself when I changed it. I change mine about every 2 months. If you have dogs or cats in your house, you might have to change yours every 30 days. I know a lot of them are rated for 90 days. I think that's too long. Reinstall the panel. Turn the power back on. And you're good to go. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.